A full turnkey project just at $36K? Well, stick around as we tour this building together and then compare it with the red iron. Let's get it. Welcome back, Pack. It's Eric from WolfSteel Buildings, and for today's video, we're going to showcase a tubular structure out there in Justin, Texas, not that far from our Fort Worth headquarters. Again, friendly reminder, Pack, we only serve the state of Texas. But going back to the video, we are going to reveal the price and then compare it to a red iron quote at the end. All right, so what do you guys say? Let's get this video started. For this tubular structure, I'm going to reveal first the total project cost, which is $36,454 with 0 cents. But first, Pack, I want to say this was a full turnkey project, which means we did the concrete, we did the building, and the accessories. For the concrete alone, we're looking at $10,848 with 0 cents. That includes everything that you're watching on screen: the perimeter furnace, the cross internal beam, the vapor barriers, the rebar, the chairs, the whole 9 yards. As you guys can see on screen, we are using a concrete buggy. So what the concrete buggy does, it transfers the concrete from the concrete truck to the foundation. As you guys can see on screen, it was a very tight fit, so we made it happen. We could either use the pump system, which transfers the concrete from concrete truck to hopper and into the pump system, but the buggy is used for a more cost-effective transfer of concrete. But going back to the building, we have a 20 wide, 40 long, 10 foot on leg height. We have a standard 312 pitch. We have an A-frame vertical roof. We have vertical sides and ends. These are 29 gauge ag panels that come with their 40-year paint warranty. Now, for the color combination, we have white on the sides and ends, and then we have the Quaker gray on the roof, the trim, gutters, and downspouts. But let me reveal the price for building alone, which is only the 20 by 40, the 312 pitch, the vertical ag panels, 29 gauge, the base trim, the color screws, 12 gauge tubular framing on the inside. We're looking at a building alone price of $16,786 with 0 cents. Also included in that price is that 48 by 84 steel walk-in door. This is a little bit more wider than the ones you're accustomed to, which is the 36 by 84. This is about 4 feet wide by 7 feet. And then we have that cool base trim running along the whole building. And in the inside of the building, we have the 12 gauge tubing. This is an upgrade from our standard 14 gauge. Here's a quick video on Sarah demonstrating the differences on the 12 gauge and the 14 gauge tubular framing. Well, let's start talking about those cool doors. This would be the accessories portion on the pricing. We have one 8 by 8 flush panel overhead door, and then we have another door on the back side, which is a 10 by 8, again, flush panel overhead door with that cool weather strip all around the 3 sides. For these doors, we're looking at a price of $7,440 with 0 cents. But staying on the exterior portion of the building, we also have gutters and downspouts on this 20 by 40 tubular structure. We have them in our Quaker gray. This price comes out to $1,380 with 0 cents. Remember, Pack, all the pricing that I'm giving you is valid 5 days after post date. So I'm giving you the concrete price, the building, the doors, and the gutter system, which gives us a total project cost of $36,454 with 0 cents. No equipment was needed to erect the building. We only have a leg height of 10 and the width is under 31. But now for my favorite section of the video, let's compare it to a red iron quote. Now for the red iron quote, we will need an equipment charge. These are always standard on red iron projects. This is very heavy material. You cannot pick this material without any equipment whatsoever. So let's put them both on screen. We'll have the left hand side tubular with all of its line items, and then we'll have a red iron quote on the right hand side, which brings out to a total project cost of $42,487 with 30 cents. Also that you will see in the charge here on the red iron side is a porta potty charge. These projects take a little bit more longer than your tubular projects, so the guys will be out there a little bit more than usual, and a porta potty will be needed. All right, Pack, I hope you enjoyed this quick tour with pricing and of course the comparison at the end, the red iron versus the tubular structure. Again, we only serve the state of Texas, and friendly reminder, this price is valid only 5 days after post date. But if you're looking for a building in our service area, please give us a call, as we count with many sales pack mates that can help you out in your new endeavor on your journey in obtaining a metal building. Again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on everything WolfSteel Buildings, as we showcase buildings and provide valuable information on the channel as well, in regards to educational and informative videos in regards to everything that entails a metal building. Again, this is Eric from WolfSteel Buildings signing out. I'll catch you guys in the next one.